Ever wondered where you can find a physical Monese bank branch? You know, the one with those classic marble pillars, the smell of old money, and tellers counting cash? If you're thinking of Monese as your typical high street bank, you're in for a surprise. Because Monese isn't your typical bank. It's a digital bank, which means it operates primarily online. No grand buildings, no long queues, and definitely no physical branches. What is a digital bank? But what does that actually mean? Well, a digital bank is essentially a bank that exists entirely in the digital world. All your banking is done through apps, websites, and other online platforms. No need to visit a branch for anything. Think about it. Remember the last time you had to stand in line at a bank? Frustrating, right? Digital banks eliminate that hassle. You can open an account, transfer money, pay bills, and even get a loan, all from the comfort of your couch. Monese, a deeper dive. Monese is one of those digital banks. It's a popular choice among people who value convenience and flexibility. They offer a range of services, from personal accounts to business accounts. But again, the key takeaway is no physical branches. Why no physical branches? You might be wondering why a bank would choose to operate without physical branches. Well, there are a few reasons. Cost efficiency. Maintaining physical branches is expensive. From rent and utilities to staff salaries, the overhead costs can be huge. By going digital, banks can significantly reduce their expenses and pass those savings on to customers in the form of lower fees or better interest rates. Convenience. As we mentioned, digital banking is incredibly convenient. You can bank anytime, anywhere, as long as you have an internet connection. No more rushing to the bank before it closes. Reach. Digital banks can reach a much wider customer base than traditional banks. With a physical branch, you're limited to a specific geographic area. But online, you can serve customers all over the world. The future of banking. The rise of digital banks like Monese is a clear indication of where the banking industry is heading. It's a future of convenience, accessibility, and lower costs. While some people might still prefer the traditional bank experience, it's undeniable that digital banking is the wave of the future. So, to answer the question we started with, where is the Monese Bank located? The answer is nowhere. Or, rather, it's located in the digital world. It's a bank that exists on your smartphone, your laptop, or any device with an internet connection. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.